how to make a playlist on your Pandora account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can make or create a playlist on your Pandora account. In order to do so, first thing first, make sure to update your application to the latest version and also check your internet connection. So to begin with, open up your Pandora application. Once you open up or log into your Pandora application, you'll be taken to the home page, and basically this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to create a playlist, click on the filter icon located right in between in the right hand side bar. As you click on the filter option on the lower half of your screen, you'll be able to see a multiple option, and under it you'll need to click on the playlist option, which is located right in between. As you click on the playlist, next page you'll be taken to this kind of interface. So to create a new one, click on a new playlist right on top. Since you're making or creating a new playlist, you'll need to give it a name. So for that, create a preferred name to your playlist. And once you're done creating a name, click on the next button located in the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll need to add a music to your playlist. In order to add a music, what you'll need to do is you need to search for the music that you actually want to add, and as soon as you find the music, you need to click on this plus icon. In this way you can make or create a playlist on your Pandora account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.